Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we move to the last chapter, chapter 5, first order differential equation. A differential equation is an equation involving one or more derivative of an unknown functions. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative that it contains. The degree of a differential equation is determined by the power of the highest order of the derivative in the equation. So for example, we have dy over dx is equivalent to 3y, and the order is 1 and the degree is 1. And then we squared y over dx squared minus 6 dy over dx plus 8y is equivalent to 0. So the order is, because the highest derivative is 2 and the degree is equivalent to 1, because the degree is determined by the power of the highest order. Okay, and then we have d power of 3y over dt cubed minus t dt plus t squared minus 1y is equivalent to e power of t. The order is, the highest derivative here is 3 and the degree is 1. Okay, and then the next one we have 1 plus x squared dy over dx squared plus 3y is equivalent to 0. So this one is not second derivative. This one is just first derivative squared. So the order of this differential equation is 1. And then the degree is 2 because for the dy over dx, the highest power is 2 here. So that's why the degree is 2. And then we have y prime minus y is equivalent to e power of 2x. So y prime, it means that we just differentiate once. So the order is 1 and the degree is 1. And then we have y double prime plus y prime is equivalent to cos t. So double prime shows that we have the second derivative here. So the order is 2 and the degree is 1. Basically, solving separable first order differential equation, let's say we have dy over dx. So it is equivalent to capital F here shows derivative fxy. So this is the first order differential equation. And then when we try to separate, so you will get like this. So we have gx times fy. Okay, now look at to the first example. Find a general solution to each of the following. So let's say we have dy over dx is equivalent to x over y squared. The idea of this chapter is for you to separate and then integrate. So we need to separate the variable from each other. It means that we need to put x and y one side. So in the, let's say we put y on the left hand side and x on the right hand side. What is the first step? So we put x one side, y one side. When you try to cross multiply, so you will get y squared dy is equivalent to x dx. After you separate the variable from each other, so you integrate both sides, so you will get y cubed over 3. So integrate, when you have indefinite integral, it should be plus c. So since we integrate both sides, so we can just put plus c on the right hand side. Therefore, is equivalent to x squared over 2 plus c. Then we put y alone, y power of 3 is equivalent to 3 of the x squared over 2 plus c. Then 3 over 2 x squared plus 3c. So since we have y power of 3 on the left hand side, both sides. So cube root of y power of 3 is equivalent to cube root everything on the right hand side. So 3 over 2 x squared plus 3c. Therefore, what left on the left hand side is y is equivalent to cube root of 3 over 2 x squared plus 3c. You want to put your answer like this. Or another method, you can also put, let's say we let this c as c1, 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 c1 here. So when we let our c is equivalent to 3c1, therefore your final answer y is equivalent to cube root of 3 over 2 x squared plus c. Since we already let our 3c1 is equivalent to c, therefore we just put c here, or you can just leave it your answer like this. So it doesn't matter. Find the general solution of this following. So we have dy over dx is multiplied with y power of 3 plus y over x squared plus 3x is equivalent to 1. So the idea here is separate and then integrate. So it means that you have to put y and x on the different side. The first step, let's say we have dy over dx times with the y power of 3 plus y over x squared plus 3x. Then we have here how to remove. Let's say we multiply x squared plus 3x over y cubed plus y. Why we have to multiply with this term? Because we want to separate the variables. X squared plus 3x over y cubed plus y. This one you can cancel out. What left on the left hand side is just dy over dx. So it is equivalent to x squared plus 3x over y cubed plus y. And then we need to cross multiply here for you to put y and x on the different side. Power of 3 plus y times with the dy is equivalent to x squared plus 3x then times with the dx. So now after you separate, you can integrate both sides. Therefore, y power of 4 over 4 plus y squared over 2 is equivalent to x cubed over 3 plus 3 over 2 x squared plus c. So this is your final answer.